What if you're not behind? What if you're just on a different timeline? Sabi sa librong binabasa ko, libro ni Miles Monroe, Uncover Your Potential. Sabi dito sa chapter 1, everything in life has potential. All people are sent to the world with limitless credit, but few draw to their full extent. In chapter 1, there's this thing called the potential principle. So, to simplify this concept, let's say, for example, I hold a seed in my hand. Kunwari, seed ito. Pero capsule talaga to. Okay? If I'm going to ask you kung anong hawak ko, pwede mo sabihin, boto lang siya. Maliit na boto. Tama ka naman. But the truth is, I hold a forest in my hand. Why? Because in every seed, there's a tree. In every tree, there's a fruit. And in every fruit, there are seeds with them or in them. And these seeds have trees that have fruits, that have seeds, that have trees, that have fruits, that have seeds, etc. So in essence, what you see is not all there is. That is potential. Not what is, but what could be.